Guys, again welcome to my channel Mad Essays. So in this today's tutorial I brought you an amazing trick and effect known as Aiken. Any card at any number. So in this trick what's gonna happen, I'm gonna spread to the deck, just choose whichever card you may like. So suppose the spectator goes for this card, which is, I don't know what it is, but I will just do you a favor and lose it somewhere in the middle, just like that. And now I won't touch the deck. So just give me any number, whichever number you may like. What? 20. Okay, 20. Are you sure? Do you want to change the number, or is it okay? Yeah, you are sure, so confirm it's 20. Okay, so I will just deal cards C3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, this 19 and 20. So these are the 20 cards, right? So you could have stopped anywhere you like, but you stopped right at 20 card, right? So let me show you that it's actually the 20th card, 6 of diamonds. So it's approximately on the 20th card, which is the 6 of diamonds. And let's jump to the tutorial, guys. So in this tutorial, first of all you're gonna need to know a bottom control. So first of all you are gonna control the card to the bottom. So let me show you how to do this. So from the shoulder view it looks something like this. So this is the card, and just align this card with this card while you are taking this card up. This is you are doing. So while you take this card up just like this, that's the times when you align this card. And now you are gonna drag the card, the spectator's card, with these 3 fingers down like this, while supporting with your pinky finger, so the card doesn't fall like this. So after this, see, spread the card this way. See, while you go up you are just gonna align it this way. See, just now how I did. And then you are gonna show the spectator their card, and see, I had already taken the card which is right here. So you are gonna align this with pinky finger, so card remains in a straight line. See, this way. And after this you are gonna curl the card. See, I am actually curling the card right at the bottom this way. So let me show you how do it look from the front side. So first of all, these are the cards. You show the spectator their card. See, while aligning it, then the spectator sees the card. You take the card. See, you don't have to expose the card like this, just now how I did. So show the card, align the card, show it to the spectator. See, just go like this way, and then show the spectator. And while you came down, just drag it with your thumb. See, just like this. And while you are doing this in fast way, so the spectator won't miss. See, I had already did it. So you will do it in fast, so it won't look. After this you will curl the card to the bottom. So that's all you are gonna doing. So after this, just ask the spectator to name any number. Suppose the spectator says 20. Directly, first of all, you're gonna take a break at the bottom card, which is actually the thumb grip, while holding the card in the middle grip. So you're gonna hold the card in the middle grip, take the break while springing, actually dribbling the one single card, or whichever method you may like. You can use whichever method you may like to take a break at the bottom card. And after this you are gonna actually see this way, just at the corner, just one card, slide down one card. And after this you are gonna count 20 card, or whichever number the spectator says. So suppose it stops right here, so minus one card, so in the 19 card. So this is 19 card, and when it comes 20 you are gonna ditch this card directly above this card. So see, I had already ditched it, so the stickman has now disappeared. See, just ditch it this way and take the 20th card. So that's all you are gonna be doing. So let me show you again. This is the card. Take the card 19, ditch the card, and place the last card just like this, while taking a pinky break. So it would be very much easy to perform a double lift. So after this, what you are gonna be doing? So that's the first method, and let's jump to the second method which I'm gonna taught you. So this is the method that I prefer, and I will show you another method. So in this method what's gonna happen, so first cut like here, dribble one card, and this method, see, let me show you first the pinky one, the first method. So that this is the first method. So let's jump to now to the second method. So you dribble the card just like this, 20 cards. So that's the 21. So suppose the spectator say 22, and now also I had not ditched the card. It's you directly cut to the number, then after show the next card by saying that you could have stopped here. See, you could have stopped here. So when you say this by showing the next card that you could have stopped here, you are gonna ditch that time the card. You are not gonna ditch at the 20th card, which is the actually spectator said number. Suppose, let me show you one more time. So suppose it's in this position, and you show the spectator the card. See, that's the time when you are gonna ditch the card. So see, let me show you again. See, this time, see, I had already ditched the card. Then you could have also stopped here, but you stopped at right here. So that's all you are gonna say, be saying. So that's the trick. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.